Hello, my name is Reencarnación. I am single. I am from Palmira. I am 22 years old. I am operator in production company and I am studying agronomy at UNAD. In my free time, like to ride bike and go to tourist places and take photographs. I like Palmira. I am going to talk about this great city. Palmira is a small city located in the Valle del Cauca, Colombia, on Angus, on to 15 people usually celebrate. People of them go out with their family and eat typical food like chontaduro, sancocho de gallina. On the fair there are also usual reading and exhibition of all cars. In mid-city there are some tourist places like Nirvana Natural Reservoir, where you can see a lot of natural areas and wildlife. The Phonics Air Museum, where there is on a fitting aircraft for locomotives and needed all vehicles, and there is on areas where you can do paraglides. In conclusion, in mid-city you can visit famous landmarks and enjoy its quitting. I always enjoy taking a boat in mid-city, and I hoping you can visit it someday. Thank you for your attention.